Hey YouTube, GarageBoys here. On today's episode, we're gonna show you how to fix that annoying knocking noise on your glove compartment. It happens on many cars, but the most infamous, the famous one for it is the Chevy Impala. Also on the Malibu, but the Impala, it's well known. If you have this car, there's a 100% chance, or 99.9 chance that you have this issue. It's just mandatory. It just comes with the car. And you can probably hear it knocking right now because I opened the door. But if you come in here, you open your door, and you hear it knocking. It doesn't have to be on or not, but that's coming from there. It's what we in the industry call the midget with the machine gun in the glove compartment syndrome. It happens when you turn on your car, and see it gets worse and stuff. That's actually your actuator that's underneath behind the glove compartment. It's the actuator. Each car has a couple of actuators, maybe 3 or 4. They'll control your AC. They'll control if it's hot or cold. They'll control the actuators are just a little square like this with a wire and kind of opens and closes vents. So the actuator vent, there's one that controls the heat and cold, which is usually on this side. There's one that controls your recycle, which is this. And then that's the main one for this issue, which is right underneath behind the glove compartment. I'm going to show you how to remove it and how to fix it. There's one that controls your temperature for your passenger and driver. Like in this case, I have my driver can be cold or hot, and then passenger can be cold or hot or whatever. So you hear that? This one's coming from here. There's also an actuator that controls the vent to throw air up in the middle or on the floor. So there's 3 or 4 vents. I'm going to show you the issue in this one, how to remove it, how to fix it. You can buy the parts online. I'm going to put a link in the description. And here we go. I'm sure you're going to use this video. If it helps, like, subscribe, send it to your friends that have this car, because for sure they have this issue. So here we go. All right, guys, so just come here to your glove compartment. And it's a very simple process. Just empty your glove compartment. Go ahead and open it. You can lower your glove compartment. If you come in here, let me get a good view. If you come in here and you see there's little sticks right here. There's one right there. There's one right there. You kind of like stick and bring it over on both of them. Just push it down, and bring it over, and it comes right down, as you can see right there. That's the actuator. This one right here. And if you look to your left, there's another one right there. I told you there's a couple. That's the one that I'm gonna be replacing. You don't have to take off the glove compartment. I mean, it'll give you more space. For video purposes, I'm gonna take it off. Then I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna and if you want to take it off, it's very simple. Just come down here, and it has a couple of sticks. I already took one out. Actually, I was missing that one. But just see these little sticks, these little cylinders. These little cylinders. You gotta take them off. All 3 of them, and the glove compartment will come off. How to take them off? Very easy. I'm just using some pliers just like this, and what I'm doing is just come in here to the side. I'm just pushing that over. See, it came out a little bit. I'm just gonna grab it, and cool. Yeah, there you go. So do that 3 times. Open your glove compartment, and it's gonna just come off, and you have a lot of space to work with. So do that, and I'm gonna show you how to take off the actuator. All right, guys, took out the glove compartment. Sorry for the noise, but it's part of the fix. See, now this one is making the noise, and you can actually touch it and feel it, clicking. So I'm gonna replace this one as well, since I'm here. And it's exactly the same as this one. So just come in here, and I kind of already did it, but for this one, remove this little clip, the plug, which I'm gonna put it right back. Which you just use your flathead. I'm gonna put it back and take it off just so I can show you guys how to do it. Jeez, it's harder to put back on than to take off. Okay, so when you come in here, that's your plug right there. Just get your flathead, come into the side. Let me focus, and put it in between this little. See this hole right there? Put it in there, and then push like this and pull up. There you go. So basically what you have to do, it's just a simple plug, just this, push it back so you can release the clip and then pull back. So remove that. It's the same for this one on this side. And then let me show you the sizes for the screws. There's three. This one has 2. This one has 3. This one may have another one in the back. I'm gonna double check, but I'm gonna tell you the size. All right, guys. So now that that's unplugged, I also went ahead and unplugged that one because it was just still making noise. So I unplugged it. If you unplug it, obviously it's gonna stop the noise. Same process. Those screws are 732s. This is my setup right here. And this is actually probably the only way you can remove it. So I kind of see worked on that one already. There's one right there, and there's one in the back that I can see. I'll let you know if there's another one at the bottom. I don't think so because I put my hand back there and I didn't see that. I know for a fact that this one has 1, and then 2 and 3. So this one has 3. That one may have 3 as well, but for now 2. So I'll let you know if I find anything else. But go ahead and remove those, and the whole actuator should come out to the right. All right, guys, took out those 2 screws. It came right out. It actually just fell. So there's only 2, which is this one and the bottom one. This one is just a little, it doesn't do, there's no screw or nothing. That's your part number. Obviously this one was made in China. It looks like they replaced it, but it went bad again because I guess they're crappy parts. So I'm gonna show you guys the new one. Like I said, I bought it on the link in the description below. The part number is exactly the same as this one. So they're both the same. So if you're gonna buy one, just buy both. They're the same. And then that's it. I'm gonna show you how to remove this one off. But as you can see, it's very simple. Unplug it. And there's one screw right here, 732, 732, 732. Take those off. It comes straight out, and that's it. This thing, just the way it goes in is just, see this little gap right here. This little hole goes into that little stick. Where is it? That little white stick right here in the back, and that's what turns and closes and opens the recycling vent, and then that controls other vents that are in there. Hope this video helped. Installation process is the same but in reverse. Hope it helped. It's a super common problem. You have this car, Impala 2008. This goes between the 2002 all the way to the 2013s, 14s. They all have this issue, and I hope it helped. If this helped, just like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Oh, hey guys, before I go, real quick, there's only 2 bolts actually for this, and this is the setup that I have, like I mentioned before. And just remove them, and it comes right out really easily. Another thing that I wanted to mention before, this is the new part. This is not the part number. It's different than the one on the, but this part is the same. This one and that one is the same part. So basically you're gonna buy it twice. And I will have all the information in the description. As you can see, you remove this just like I mentioned before. Kind of loosen it up a little bit, and just take put this thing out. And same goes with the top one. Take it out, and that's it, guys. Let me see. And this comes straight out, and just push the old one in. I'm trying to do this quick. And this just comes out just like this. So there's only 2 bolts, the 732s, and here it is. This is the old one. Put in the new one just in there, and that little white stick sticking out, that goes in here. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe and like. Thanks.